Minjee Lee is an Australian professional golfer from Perth. She was born on May 27, 1996 in Perth, Australia. Lee's parents Soonam and Clara Lee were both from Korea and emigrated to Australia in the early 1990s. Lee's younger brother Minjee Lee won the 2016 US Junior Amateur, making them the first brother or sister pair to win the USGA's Junior Championships. On 15 November, she won the season-long Aon Risk Reward Challenge and $1 million for the 2022 LPGA Tour season. This challenge selects one hole in every participating event and designates it as the Aon Risk Reward hole for that week. The challenge rewards the player who has the best two scores from every participating event that a player competes in throughout the season, measured by the lowest average score to par on these holes. Her 8th LPGA Tour win, the US Women's Open on 5 June 2022, earned her the largest payday to date in women's golf history, $1.8 million of the $10 million total purse. Lee won by 4 strokes over Minjee, who received $10,80,000. This was the first occasion in a women's golf tournament where there were 2 prizes in excess of $1 million. Lee set a new record of 271 and led Harrogate by 3 strokes after 54 holes. She won her 7th LPGA Tour event, the Cognizant Founders Cup, on 15 May 2022, beating Lexi Thompson by 2 strokes, 269 to Thompson's 271. Her final round of 70 was the only one she did not have in the 60s. The start of the final round was delayed by an hour because of fog. She was ranked 5th in the world before her win, just behind 4th ranked Athaya Thitikul, who finished the final round with a 63, good for a tie for 8th place at 13 under par. On 25 July 2021, Lee won her first major championship, the Amandi Evian Championship, by coming from 7 strokes behind in the final round and defeating Lee Jang-yoon on the first playoff hole. Lee qualified for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics and competed in the women's competition. She scored 4 across the 4 rounds and finished 29th out of medal contention. On 28 April 2019, Lee won the Hugel Air Premier LA Open, her 5th LPGA Tour victory. By late the following month, she had risen to number 2 in the Women's World Golf Rankings, but in her home country she still had such a low profile that she was described by The Age as the invisible champion of Australia. In April 2018, she lost the LPGA Mediheal Championship in a playoff of Lydia Ko, then on 27 May 2018 won the LPGA Valvic Championship. She also became the first woman to win the Greg Norman Medal for being the best Australian professional golfer on the world stage. In 2016, she won the Latte Championship in April and the Blue Bay LPGA in October.